Mainline engines always hears how big they are. Superior by far. But little engines chill away from dawn to dusk without a fuss or care. Come on, sing along. Come on, sing along. Just because we're small doesn't mean we don't see it tall. And to pull away like all the others do. You'll be surprised, it's bright till your size. Just what little engines can do. What about that? Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do almost anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on till the end. They're the smallest in the station. They're underestimated. They're no such little engines after all. Bigger engines say, little engines play all day. They won't much is new anybody at all. But we're strong enough to deal with those trucks. That's what little engines are for. Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do almost anything. Ha 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 ha. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. They're underestimated. They're no such little engines after all. Thomas, Percy, Bill, and Ben, you can rely on them. These little engines are the best. Stephanie, Doc, and Oliver, they get great trucks. What for? You'll be so impressed. Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines. Little engines. Little engines can do almost anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. They're underestimated, 'cause they're no little engines after all. They're our favorite little engines. They're mighty little engines. They're no such little engines after all. Whatever that is. They're no such little engines after all.